Nanjing Feiyue Paper Industrial Co., Limited is specialized in manufacturing kinds of thermal transfer paper and print media. Our main products including sublimation transfer paper, dark and light t-shirts transfer paper, sublimation inks and roll-to-roll heat transfer machines. Our factory covers 15,000 square meters and the fixed assets have reached to 40 million yuan in 2004. We developed our own cast micro-pores coating technology. Now we have 6 coating lines and we will keep improving. We also have automatic cutting equipment, thus we can stably provide enough supply of goods, avoiding the condition of delayed delivery even out of stock. Feiyue Paper Industrial Co. Limited has possessed the intellectual property, that is the technique of manufacturing thermal transfer paper, the advanced technological with different GSM process, developing new products. Digital sublimation paper with different GSM. The new series of products make the product construe more reasonable, lifting the competition of the Feiyue paper in the market. Confirming the leading position in the field of thermal transfer paper technique, we run our own coating factory and heat press machine assembling workshop. Thus, to offer the most reasonable pricing and give the most profit to our clients, we have over 10 workers cooperating on quality control both for the original material and finished goods. QC before delivery is also what we need for each order. Strict quality controlling and professional QC inspecting before shipping makes we have complete confidence to offer you high quality. To satisfy well with your requirements, we are glad to provide brand name or dual OEM inland overseas clients. The products produced by us been widely applied to apparels like t-shirts, sportswear, swimsuit, basketball jersey and so on, and also advertising industry and household industry like flags, mugs, pillow and some presents. We have a huge customers base in Asia, Europe and America. Look forwarding to corporate with you. Please feel free to contact us for further information.